All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Milwaukee pry bars and wrenches. All right, so a while ago I got Milwaukee pry bars in and the Milwaukee new wrenches in metric. Now the pry bars, I let Jesse beat on them, and he beats on them. I'm not making that up. He's put a hurting on these trying to break them, and he has not been able to. Other than being dirty, because they are used, they're not even that, chewed up. The handles are still look good. They'd probably clean up pretty good with some brake clean, but he doesn't clean his tools, so excellent pry bar. For the money especially, great option if you're, looking for a good set of pry bars. The striking handle, he's beaten on that one. The tips have held up. Nothing really bad to say about these pry bars. Jesse has done his best to destroy these, and they've held up great. So definitely a good option if you're looking for pry bars. Now the wrenches, well, they're good. Am I trading in my Snap-on flank drives for them? Well, no. I paid for my flank drives, and I'm going to keep using them. But they are a great option as far as an everyday wrench. Josh has been using these, and these are his everyday wrenches now. He's stopped using his Silver Eagle set. They are way better than those, and he has had no complaints out of these wrenches at all. Just been using them daily. I've gotten a chance to use them, helping him out, and these are a great option if you're needing a set of wrenches. And they're affordable, and they go up to 22. So, now admittedly, if you want bigger than that, you're going to have to go with somebody else, but I'm sure they'll come out with bigger stuff eventually. But really high quality, great wrenches. If you're in the budget mind of it, it's a good option, a really good option. I hope you like the quick update on the Milwaukee wrenches and pry bars. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.